When you search site kit.com, it shows web pages of kit.com, the blog post of kit.com, and all other pages that is on the website kit.com. But it also shows all the newsletter that is hosted on the platform. For example, this one we can see the creator society.kit.com because it is hosted on the kit domain, so we can find this here as well. So this is one of the newsletter, and all of these are actually the post. And the next is we can see this one is also hosted here, and all these newsletter are hosted and built on Kit, and we can find them on Google, and they all are indexed. And if they are indexed, it means they might have been or might will be crawled by AI crawlers, and they may get their share in the AI training data. I mean, it is not confirmed that they are in the AI data, but yes, AI and other LLMs collect the data from all the publicly available sources. So this is one of the publicly available source. So they might have get it here, and it is very easy to publish content on such website. This is the Kit dashboard. You can just start writing. You can click on the start writing and click the text only box. And here we have our first newsletter we can publish to the web. So I have already created the content. I will just so this is the an article I made ChatGPT write about best AI content distribution platform. So I will just copy it and paste it. Copy and then I will paste it here. Yeah, we will format it. So this is already formatted and everything is already done. We don't have to do anything. So we will delete some things like this is our title. So we'll keep it here, and yeah, it's ready to go. So this is our article that is already done and everything is okay with it. And I will just go ahead and publish it. I will show you how to publish it. So we will go continue, and here our now it shows we can either publish it to the web or send email. We are not sending the email, we will publish it to the web. So our article is ready to go live. Let's change the URL. I will keep the URL, let's say best AI content distribution. We will keep it like that, and we can add a meta description as well. So this is our meta description, and yeah, it's look good. We will set as a featured on creator profile, and if there is image you can add, and we will click on continue, and we will publish it. So now the article is live, and we can open it here. We will click on the open, and here is our article, which most probably is optimized for SEO as well. So the article is ready, it is on the web, and this is our URL. We do not need this JTM. So this is our URL, and we can publish this URL on social media or somewhere else. We can create several backlinks from easy to publish platform like medium.com or blogspot.com, and then this article will get indexed, and all this data will be publicly available. Maybe the user may not read it, but if there is a chat GPT or AI crawlers, they may see this content, and they may use it, and they may not use it, but it is just a 5 minute task. And yeah, because the effort is so low, you can do it. And that's it for this video. In next video we will see other platforms.